All right, gentlemen, in today's video, I am changing up my hairstyle. I'm going with an entirely new look. Thanks to my friends over at Slick Hair, Emil and Rasmus. I flew over to Denmark, spent time with them, and I trusted these guys to do something radically different with my hair. You ready to see what happened? Guys, let's get into it. Tip number one, when changing up your hairstyle, work with someone that you trust. This is important, guys. You've got to have clear communication on what is going to be going on, what exactly you want. You want no surprises. You want to work with the best that you can afford. I'm not saying you got to go out there and spend a whole bunch of money here, but I am saying look around. Don't be afraid to spend a little bit more to get someone who knows what they're doing. Another way to minimize surprises is to leverage the power of an image. A picture says 1,000 words. All of a sudden, that barber, that stylist is going to look at this and they can ask good questions. Okay, do you want the fade to go up over here? Do you want how much, 2.5 inches, 3 inches up on top? These are much better questions than you, trying to talk with them, not knowing exactly if the communication is getting across. Tip number two, when you're changing up your hairstyle, give yourself an out. What I mean by giving yourself an out is you're going to break the haircut up into stages. Instead of taking a full inch, 2 inches off the top, you're going to say, hey, how about we take 1/4 inch off the time? You're going to want to talk to your stylist, you want to talk to your barber about this. It is going to require more time. But what it's going to do is going to give you options to say, you know what? I don't like the directions that's going. That's not the look I'm looking for. It's always easier to go shorter than it is to try to glue hair back on. Tip three, just change the direction. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I wear a classic comb over. I go from left to right. However, when I was speaking with the guys over at Slick Hair, they were like, well, have you ever tried going from right to left? So we went from right to left. And what's interesting about changing the direction of your hair is that your hair has been conditioned wanting to go a certain direction. So when you go the opposite direction, you can actually bring more body into the look. Tip four, just change the styling. So there were two key styling changes the guys at Slick Hair made. Number one is the use of heat. So I rarely ever use a blow dryer. And these guys were adamant, hey, if the way that your hair dries, this is the way it's going to stay. Hence why using the blow dryer to shape it in the direction, to shape it in the way so that you get the body and fullness in your hair. Now, the second big change were the hair products that I used. I used By Vilain, that's Slick Hair's own developed products. And I talked with these guys about this. An amazing story. These guys wanted something organic. They wanted something made in Denmark. And they just came out with this whole line of great products. I know, I've tested. Now, this product right here, Gold Digger by Vilain, this is actually the first product they came out with and their flagship product. I have to say, it's amazing. It's got an extreme hold. It's got a matte look. And I wore this in my hair for this particular styling. And I have to say, I absolutely love this product. I've also been trying this product by Vilain. It's the Silver Fox. It's got the same type of hold as the Gold Digger, but it's got a little bit more shine. I like it as well. Now this product right here, by Vilain, it's called Sidekick Zero. It's a pre-styling product. I didn't even know that pre-styling products like this existed, but these guys, when they talked to me about it, if you use a blow dryer, you've got a little bit longer hair, you want it to have a lot of body, you want the anti-frizz, this is what you want to use before you blow dry your hair. And if you're big into organic products, make sure to check out Wax Zero. This is by Vilain. This is actually made with beeswax. It's got a very strong hold. It's got a natural glow. Just a great product. Oh, and this video, not sponsored at all. These are just my friends. I think it's a great product. Proud to support them. I'm going to link to them down in the description. Go check out Slick Hair, go check out their videos, and go check out By Vilain, the company that they own that makes these products. Now, this next tip is really important. Whenever you're getting a new hairstyle, you want to ask a lot of questions. You want to make sure that you can get the same look at home. So when I was getting my hairstyle, I was asking them all these questions. I wasn't afraid to look like a dummy because I wanted to be able to repeat the process so that, again, I can get that same look at home. So did I keep the hairstyle? The answer is no. I reverted back to my older hairstyle, but I did make some changes. One, I've got some great products by Vilain that I've been trying out. I actually love the Gold Digger. It's friggin' awesome. Silver Fox, very cool. Wax Zero, absolutely love it. But I have to say, for me, it was the blow drying. I'm just not going to spend a lot of time blow drying my hair. I did, though, really take to heart the fact that the way my hair dries is the way it's going to stay. So what I practice doing when I'm getting ready in the morning, actually, I slick the hair straight back with a little bit of product in it, and then within probably 30 seconds, I go to comb it over. And what this does is it gives it a little bit more volume. It's not the same as actually using the hair dryer, but it's just something I didn't want to add to my routine. I'm usually pretty low maintenance. At the end of the day, guys, you want to have fun. You want to look great. You want to feel confident. So go out there, experiment, try different styles, and know, hey, if I'm going to do this, I can always come back to, my safe look. All right, Jen, so I know you want more because I cut out a lot of details. Go see the original video right over here at Slick Hair, in which they actually break out exactly how they gave me this new hairstyle. Let me know in the comments, what'd you think? Did you like this new hairstyle? Should I actually bring it into one of my videos? Or like, nah, Antonio, stick with what you got. Maybe go with the hair straight back. I want to hear from you down in the comments. And guys, go check out Slick Hair. I'm going to link to him down in the description of this video. Such an amazing channel. I'm going to link to all the different videos. They actually break out a number of different hairstyles. That's it, gentlemen. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.